So you're going to give me your ID, or I'm going to arrest you for fail to ID.
And you're going to go to an FBI federal
And
prison
that's
for
fine.
it. You're going to be committing a federal felony
Okay, so
and a
you're either
Texas
gonna do it, or
state
that's what's gonna happen.
Class A misdemeanor. So you're knowingly committing a Class A state misdemeanor and a federal felony.
Okay.
That's what's at jeopardy for you, sir.
Okay.
You are in jeopardy now.
So are you. I'm going to jail right now. The driver doesn't ID.
In this video, a group of auditors in Livingston, Texas, intentionally follows police officers while filming them to challenge their assertion of authority. The officers attempt to detain the individuals, claiming suspicious behavior justifies their actions. Texas Penal Code 38.02 states, a person commits an offense if the person intentionally refuses to give the person's name, residence address, or date of birth to a peace officer who has lawfully arrested the person and requested the information.
Are y'all of equal rank?
Yes, we are.
So just so you know, if you let him do this, you're in jeopardy also for failing to intervene. So you don't not have a dog in the hunt.
You don't know our communication.
Hey, I don't care. I know the law.
Listen, you don't know what I just said.
It doesn't matter.
I was talking to him, okay?
It doesn't matter. If you let him, you're of equal rank. If you let him do it, he's not your superior officer, you get a failure to intervene. So that's up to you. I am just making both of you fully aware of what this decision.
¿Qué es lo que pasa?
¿Qué?
¿Qué es lo que pasa?
No understand.
¿No hablas español?
Uno momento. Somebody will be here shortly. ¿Licencia?
¿Qué dice?
Just a second.
¿Qué es eso?
I don't know what you're saying. But give me 1 second, we'll find out.
Sí.
Am I being detained or can I step out of the car? Simmons?
They say they don't speak English, so I'm trying to find out
I mean, somebody's
why they're here, what they're doing, why are they being suspicious.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y usted?
Bien, pues no sé qué está haciendo el señor aquí.
Yo soy oficial Reyes con el departamento de Livingston.
¿Livingston?
Con el departamento de Livingston.
Ah, ok, que sí,
And so I guess they're recording. You have a weapon on you, you said?
I don't care if he has a weapon, but why are they following the police around? Why are they acting suspicious? Who are they?
Lo que él está preguntando es por qué estás como sospechoso, una persiguiendo a la policía.
persiguiendo. ¿Qué quiere decir? ¿Qué es sospechoso? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es? ¿Algo en contra de la ley?
¿Estás seguro que no entiendes inglés?
¿Mande?
¿Estás seguro que no entiendes inglés?
¿Por qué te vas a estar echando mentiras?
Estoy preguntando, ¿no?
I want a driver's license.
Dice que quiere tu licencia de conducir.
Ah, pero ¿por qué? ¿Qué es la naturaleza?
Suspicious.
Ah, ok. Es un...
And I can stop anybody that's acting suspicious.
¿Qué crimen sería ese? ¿No sabes?
Well, who makes up what's
No
suspicious?
agarres nada, bro.
¿Mande?
No agarres nada, no muevas tu mano, no sé qué tienes ahí. Tienes un arma de fuego, ¿no?
Por lo regular no contesto preguntas.
Ok, entonces estoy diciendo ahorita no hagas nada sospechoso o muevas tu mano regularmente donde yo no pueda mirar.
Ajá.
Que tienes armas de fuego, ok. No hagas nada
Tengo...
que indique para mí un peligro, ok.
¿Estás asumiendo que tengo yo armas de fuego?
Estoy mirando balas.
¿Y la bala es un arma de fuego?
No, te pregunté cuando yo hablé contigo que si tienes armas de fuego, no me contestaste.
Pues es que no contesto preguntas.
Normalmente, cuando una persona tiene balas, voy a asumir que tienes un arma de fuego.
Ajá.
Ni siquiera cerca.
What do we say?
¿Para qué tienes una magazine con balas si no tienes un arma de fuego?
Ah, pues probablemente.
Sí, probablemente. Por eso estoy diciendo no hagas eso.
Sí.
Okay?
What are we saying?
So I'm telling him not to move his hands like that. If he does have a gun, obviously he has ammo. So which indicated. So what's going on? What do you want to do?
I want his ID.
¿Tienes licencia con sí?
Texas law says if you're acting suspicious in a suspicious place, I can get your ID. I can ID you. I can stop you. I can find out what you're doing. So that's what I want to know. What are you doing?
¿Qué haces?
Pues ahorita estoy estacionado.
Ok. Él dice el que te paró porque estás sospechoso, andas manejando, dando vueltas.
Licencia, por favor.
Entonces, sospechoso te puede parar y buscar qué está pasando.
Pero cometí un crimen, un delito, algo.
Ya te dije que él está indicando que está aceptando sospechoso.
Escucha mi pregunta, ¿cometí algún delito?
Yo no miré, yo no sé por qué te paró.
Bueno, pregúntale,
Ya
te
le
estoy
pregunté, y
preguntando.
él te está diciendo que está
Tú
aceptando
tú eres el
sospechoso.
intérprete,
Okay.
comunícale
Give
lo
me
que
a
te estoy
license to get out of the
preguntando.
car.
Dice él que le dé la licencia o salte del vehículo.
¿Y por qué me voy a salir del vehículo?
Tienes que darle la licencia, es lo que te está pidiendo.
Pero, ¿por qué me detuvo?
He's saying, why are you saying that?
I just told him he's suspicious. Step out of the vehicle
Ajá.
or give me your license. One of the two. Which one are you going to do?
The interaction escalates as the officers demand ID, citing their subjective definition of suspicion, while the auditors educate them on the limits of their power. Texas Penal Code Section 38.02 only requires a person to identify themselves when they have been lawfully arrested, not merely detained. The auditors confidently stand their ground, refusing to capitulate to the officers' intimidation tactics.
Right now you're failing to ID, so I'm about to arrest you for that.
Hey, jackass, ever heard of 3802, you dumb fuck?
Hey, so again, give me a driver's license.
3802.
Give me a
Only
driver's
must
license or
give
step out of the
ID
vehicle.
when
All right, so
under
step out of the vehicle.
arrest. So you're about to commit a felony.
Step out
Officer.
I'm going to tell you something, okay? I'm going to tell you this. So obviously...
You're not going to tell me what the law is. I know what the law is.
3802, failure to ID requires an arrest.
Okay, then that's what I'm about to do.
For what?
For being suspicious, for failing to ID.
Failure to ID is a secondary charge.
Take it back. No, obviously, listen. Todo lo que estamos... yo no sé por qué él se paró, yo no estaba aquí, ¿ok?
Sí.
Él está comunicando conmigo qué está pasando. Él está comunicando conmigo qué está pasando. Obviamente está dando vueltas. Yo pensé que iba a hablar con ustedes si necesitan ayuda o qué está pasando, porque no sé si estaban perdidos o qué onda, ¿verdad?
Ah, ok.
Okay. So, es lo que yo iba para ir a hablar con ustedes por eso.
Sí.
Pero se fueron. Yo
Ah,
los dejé
ok.
ir, okay? So, obviamente, so whenever they went over there, I was going to stop and ask them if they were okay, they needed any help or
No,
anything.
they've been following me around. They're suspicious as far as I'm concerned. I don't know if they've got partners that are committing crime somewhere else and they're keeping an eye on our location.
obviamente
So
cuando-
you're going to give me your ID or I'm going to arrest you for fail to ID.
And you're going to go to an FBI federal
And
prison
that's
for
fine.
it. You're going to be committing a federal felony
Okay, so
and a
you're either
Texas
gonna do it or
state
that's what's gonna happen.
Class A
Tiene
misdemeanor.
licencia de conducción.
So, you're knowingly committing a Class A state misdemeanor and a federal felony.
Okay.
Tengo...
That's
no-
that's what's at jeopardy for you, sir.
Okay.
You are in jeopardy
Okay.
now.
So are you of going to jail right now. if
Tengo,
the driver
pero
doesn't ID.
creo que no tengo el derecho de presentar.
So we're gonna all get.
Hey guys, this is Livingston, Texas. Livingston, Texas. You just heard that.
Te voy a preguntar esto, ¿ok? Entonces todo está bien, nomás andan grabando y es todo lo que están haciendo, ¿verdad?
Pues yo nomás estoy manejando, conociendo la ciudad.
License,
Yo entiendo, pero si tú estás manejando y estás grabando,
I'll take the direction, right?
You do what you
si
want.
tú estás conduciendo un vehículo,
Ajá.
no tienes que estar grabando. Yo no te miré grabando. Él estaba grabando. Estás grabando.
I'll take the direction, right?
You do what you
Si
want.
tú estás conduciendo un vehículo,
Ajá.
no tienes que estar grabando. Yo no te miré grabando. Él estaba grabando. Ellos están grabando.
Ajá.
Pero cuando ustedes pasaron, dice el que tú estabas grabando. ¿Ok? Tú tienes que estar conduciendo el vehículo. También tú tienes que estar manejando, ¿ok? Obviamente,
Ajá.
si tienes algo mirando, grabando a la misma vez que andas conduciendo el vehículo,
Ajá.
no piensas que eso va,
They're detaining us for looking at the police station.
bueno, te va a distraer cuando estás conduciendo el vehículo.
Pues yo no estoy viendo nada de eso, pero...
Ok. So,
Right now you're failing to ID. Give me your license.
Texas Penal Code 3802.
Si la tengo, pues necesito que me diga una razón por qué me detuvo un crimen.
What's the reason why you asking him for
He's
the driver's
suspicious.
license?
Tiene que haber un
I want to
crimen.
know who he is
He has to be
and
a
why
crime.
is he at, huh? He is detained.
No, it has to be a crime for him to show you his.
No, it
There has to
doesn't.
be a
He
crime
has
for
to
you
be
stop
legally
him.
detained by the police.
One
That's it.
last time.
So you're legally detained by the
3802.
police. Show me your ID.
3802, Texas Penal Code. When under detention, you may not give false identity. When arrested, you must identify. Straight up, no question about
Te voy a
it.
preguntar una pregunta, y por favor.
¿Conoces
Espérate,
el...?
te voy a preguntar una pregunta y por favor, yo nomás yo te estoy preguntando esta pregunta.
¿Te puedo decir
¿Tú
algo?
tienes armas de fuego en el vehículo, sí o no?
No, por lo regular no contesto preguntas.
Tensions rise when the auditors hold the officers accountable for their potential violation of civil rights and failure to uphold the Constitution. Title 18 U.S.C. Section 242 makes it a crime for a person acting under color of any law to willfully deprive any person of any right protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States. This warning underscores the severe legal consequences the officers face if they persist in their unconstitutional actions.
Entonces, yo voy a asumir que tienes armas de fuego en el vehículo,
Ajá.
porque tienes obviamente balas ahí, estás, estás conduciendo, si estás cargado, tienes chaleco de contrabala.
Ajá.
Okay, voy a asumir porque no puedes reconstruir.
Livingston,
no me quieres
Texas.
responder. Voy a asumir que sí tienes armas de fuego.
Okay.
Do you have any firearm on you?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. if they have a
And it's
firearm.
okay. I mean, I'm not saying it matters.
I'm just trying to keep this
Obviously,
guy
I'm
from
gonna
spending the
assume
next 5 years
What's
in
that?
civil. I'm trying to
All right,
I'm trying to keep your
Let me
officer.
talk to him. He's the driver. I was talking to him. I wasn't talking to
Okay,
you.
yeah, no, I'm talking to the guy who doesn't
Well, I
understand
don't know
Texas
about
penal
that.
code.
Give me a second. Let me talk to him.
All right, I just want a license.
Hey, what's his name?
Simmons. is
Sim-
this
oh
guy's.
God.
Officer Simmons.
Dude's gonna spend the next 5 years in court, criminal and civil. Oh Jesus.
So right now they're conspiring.
No, Donkey, this isn't because of weakness. This is pure stupidity and ego. Straight up. You think maybe he was the one at the gas station?
Yeah, that is. The
Oh
That's what he's
man.
saying. They were following me.
Yeah, we got here, let me flip it around for you guys.
Okay, so
Tito Reyes.
You're gonna lose the next 5 years of your life in court, bro.
I need your ID. Tito. Paciencia.
Tito Reyes.
You're gonna lose the next 5 years of your life in court, bro.
Are you gonna give me your license, or I'm gonna arrest you for failed ID? Which one is it?
Are you of equal rank?
Tell him. If you didn't give me your
What's that,
license,
boy?
Are y'all of equal rank?
yes, we are. We're both
So
officers.
just so you know, if you let him do this, you're in jeopardy also for failing to intervene. So you don't not have a dog in the
Listen to
hunt.
me, okay? You don't know our communication.
Hey,
You know
I
what
don't
just
care.
said?
I know the law.
Listen, you don't know what I just said.
It doesn't matter.
I was talking to him. Okay?
It doesn't matter if you let
can tell
him.
me all you
You're of
want
equal
today.
rank. If you let him do it, he's not your superior officer. You get a failure to intervene. So that's up to
That's not
you.
what I'm trying to tell you. I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to this
Okay.
guy. He's the driver.
I am
All
just
we call
making
it-
both of you
I'm
fully
communicating,
aware
and I'm
of
already
what this
communicating with
decision
him.
entails.
I don't have to tell you what I've communicated to him.
I'm not asking what you communicated to. I'm fully
Okay, I
informing
understand,
you
Mike.
of the risk of what you're doing.
Okay. I understand.
¿Conoces el Código Penal
I don't
del
think
Estado
I
de
know what
Texas
qualified immunity
38.02?
I still
We're
don't
not
have
talking
ID.
qualified immunity. We're talking criminal.
38.02 ¿lo conoces?
¿Mande?
El Código Penal del Estado de Texas 38.02 ¿lo conoces?
¿De qué es?
De lo que está diciendo él de no presentar identificación. Solamente me puede identificar si me ha arrestado por un crimen. Es la única
Esa
forma.
no es la razón. Sí,
Es
sí.
la única forma que me puede arrestar.
No,
Si me detuvo por un...
La razón para que te pueda identificar no es por arrestarte.
Es la única
si has
forma.
cometido un crimen, una violación, por esa razón te puede identificar.
De todos
No
modos,
porque te ha arrestado.
de todos modos, no ha dicho ninguna violación, de nada.
Yo ya le hablé
Ninguna.
yo ya le hablé de eso a él. Okay. Yo ya hablé con él, ya le dije que lo tengo que decir.
¿Tienes un supervisor? ¿Un
Porque
gerente?
No está.
Bueno, necesito un supervisor aquí
No
porque
están ahorita.
necesito uno.
Eso es todo lo que tenemos.
Necesito un supervisor.
Ahorita ingeniero, supervisor.
Okay, well, I am the supervisor. There you go.
No, you're not.
It doesn't matter what you
equal
need.
rank and now he's a
You need to give me your license.
Necesito un supervisor.
I'm going to sergeant on duty right now. What are you saying?
Looks like a white male just came out of the store.
That doesn't
White
matter.
female in the vehicle. Exit 28 gonna be pulled
Okay,
in the
give
next
me your
lane.
license or step out of the vehicle. Which one are you going to do?
¿Qué dice?
Eso le quiere conducir porque tú sabes el vehículo.
¿Por qué me voy a salir?
He's asking why would he get out? What's the...
Because I'm going to ID
He's
him.
asking what has...
Because I'm going to
What crime has he
ID him.
committed? is what he's
He's
asking.
being suspicious.
¿Qué
person
es
in
la
a
causa
suspicious
probable?
place.
¿Qué es la causa
Therefore, I
probable?
have every right to ID him.
You have every right to make contact and investigate. That's it. Nothing more. And Texas isn't a stop and ID state, sadly for you.
I'm gonna get my keys in case I get arrested.
Yeah.
I don't want to make any sudden movements.
They're getting phone calls.
Yeah. So they're conspiring. The young guy's trying to teach the old man.
I know. And he won't listen. He's not listening to jail time.
I'll take it.
Yeah,
I'll take the arrest.
You got this. And all of that was listen and learn. Just when that,
Who's Mr. White?
all people are calling and saying,
Which one?
Popular.
Right here?
How you doing, Mr. White?
"Did y'all get some phone calls?"
The
No.
reason you're showing you
okay.
like my eyes, it's kind of bright.
Yes, sir. That's the way I can see through
I
this.
just
thin
remember
window.
stuff.
Oh,
And obviously,
Well, now I know who you are. So I will be happy to let you go. But,
oh, you know who this guy is.
huh?
Interesting.
let him explain to you what he's telling you.
I already explained it to him. I already told him that when I walked up to the window.
No. What I'm trying to say is, the reason why he needs to identify you is because he doesn't know who you are. I
Yeah.
know who Mr. White is.
Yeah, but the
Okay.
And you
fun
could be
thing
a-
is,
and you could be a team radioing to another team to commit a crime.
and you know the really fun thing is,
What's that?
Texas Penal Code 3802 throws you in jail if you actually tried to do it.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it
but
does.
good luck with
Dame la
that.
luz de la,
Yeah, it
de los
actually
ojos.
does.
La luz de los ojos.
Yeah.
See?
And the
What?
lights
La luz.
die.
You-
Alright.
yeah.
Well, y'all be safe, okay? Like I
Okay.
said, I didn't know if
La
you
luz
were
de
off
los
or not.
ojos. Quítame la luz de los ojos.
You just bought a whole lot of attention for your
Nice, right
police
there on the
department.
Well, like I said, if you're good and y'all just recording for the media purposes that y'all say, like Mr. White says, then we're done
Oh, we're not stating anything. See you in jail, brother.
Did you understand the law or no?
I do understand the law.
Do you know 3802?
I'm doing this job. And
Do
you're
you,
not.
do you know 3802?
Yeah,
Obviously you
Yeah.
don't, man.
yeah, I know all kinds of stuff.
Get the fuck out of here, man.
Oh, you just got stupider.
He didn't even, that young officer didn't recognize me. Somebody called him and told him that
Oh
shit.
yeah. You damn phone callers, you.
I just can't help but keep reading that.
They're still gonna just walk around this place tomorrow.
I really hate that. You get the feedback in my side going to
Hey guys, did y'all enjoy the show?
Thanks, guys.
This is what happens when you go to small towns that have old idiot cops who think they know what they're doing. That cop is as stupid as the cop that gave me $75,000 in Peevely. That is what happens when you go to a small town.
I was this close to taking the arrest.
He backed off.
I know.
He backed
I
off.
was gonna take it.
Somebody started calling. He backed off.
Ultimately, the officers stand down and release the auditors after receiving phone calls that likely clarified the legal reality of the situation. The Fourth Amendment protects the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures. By refusing to comply with illegal orders, the auditors successfully defended their rights against the misuse of police authority. Like and subscribe for more.